One of my new followers said something in one of his posts about sometimes it's just not there. And I was thinking about the importance of having those moments where we feel disconnected from the flow and how it helps us to actualize being more connected to the flow and being able to work through those moments and have the discipline to keep going and to plod through even when we don't experience that ultra high that you can get from getting to flow state where you really, oh yeah, I hit it. It felt really, really good. Like sometimes that just doesn't happen easily. And it's really great, even though in the moment it doesn't feel great because we need those moments. We need that contrast. We need those proving grounds, those moments of am I going to stick with it even when I don't feel it? Maybe you have, like, one night isn't that big a deal, but imagine having a month of nights like that where you don't feel connected to the flow, where you don't feel like you were able to hit it any of those nights. Being able to have the discipline to get through that is what makes us better artists. It is what makes us more accomplished. It is what helps us have the fortitude to actually become something better than we were before. So I encourage you to embrace those moments as almost even more glorious because the contrast that they create makes it even better the next time we do hit the flow. And I think it's a critical part of the practice. So I invite you to just go with the flow, even when the flow isn't making you go anywhere, and recognize that as being just as awesome a part of the practice as when it is the good stuff.